In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have Zoom connected directly to your Notion workspace, so you can streamline meetings, notes, and documentation all in one place. Let's start inside Notion. Look towards the top left corner of your Notion window. You'll see your profile area, usually showing your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu related to your account and workspace settings. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your Notion account. If you're in multiple workspaces, make sure you're working in the correct one before you keep going, because the integration will apply to the active workspace. Once the settings panel is open, look for the section called Connections. This is where Notion lets you manage integrations with other tools. Click on Connections to open that area. Here, you'll be able to see any apps you've already connected, and it's also where you'll add Zoom. Inside the Connections area, find and click on the option that says Browse Connections in Gallery. This opens Notion's Integration Gallery, which is basically a marketplace of apps and services that can connect to your workspace. It may take a second to load, especially if your internet is a bit slow, so just give it a moment. When the gallery is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type Zoom. Make sure you spell it correctly, Z-O-O-M, so the right integration appears. The search results should narrow down quickly. You'll now see the Zoom integration appear in the list of results. Click on the Zoom card to open its detailed page. This page usually gives a short description of what the integration does and may show examples of how Zoom and Notion work together, like syncing meeting details or linking recordings. On the Zoom integration page, look for the button that says Add to Notion. When you're ready, click Add to Notion. At this point, Notion may prompt you to sign in to your Zoom account or authorize access. Follow the on-screen instructions, confirm permissions, and once that's done, your Zoom integration will be successfully added to Notion. That's all you need to do to integrate Zoom with Notion and start using them together in your workflow.